boutonnieres. What, I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, you can do like this and double-sided tip together, so it's easy for you. And wrap around. Wrap around here and add the floral tip. So you can do this. And there, ta-da! And then you can add this, but I will add it tomorrow. So you can cut it up, okay? So here guys, it's done. I'm just cutting it for the corsage. Okay lang. No problem. And I'm so excited for the wedding tomorrow. It's my first time to do DIY for the flower bouquet and the corsage and the other one. I forget the name. So now I create a little bow for the corsage for the matron of honor. So here, what it's look like. It's so cute. And then you cover up with a tape, floral tape. Yeah, I will do that tomorrow because we'll put some water today. Okay, thank you for watching guys. Thank you so much everyone. Bye.